This is the elevator at 2 Executive Drive in Fort Lee, New Jersey. Oh jeez. Oh man, this got modernized as crap, huh? Jeez, I don't even know if I'm allowed to be on this thing. 3,000 pound capacity. It's just your basic service elevator. It's a decent cab. So we're going all the way down to C. And these are ThyssenKrupp vandal resistant. There's your ADA compliant phone. Here we are at C. Oh, and we're going back up, and we're all the way up to 9. Here we go. It looked like 9 was a construction zone. It's a 3,000 pound capacity. Let's ring the alarm. Actually, no, this is a service elevator, so we're not going to do that. Tall ceilings, I will say that. So this is the other elevator. I was really surprised there was no impulse fixtures in here. There's no security camera in here. It looks like there's some mopping. I am doing this at my own risk, but I wanted to check this out because I didn't check it out the last time I was here. So, oh, the indicator somewhat works. We'll take it up to 9 one last time. And here we go. Actually, we'll ring the alarm. Screw it. Yep, Dover bell. Again, it's a Dover. Good old Dover. Wow. And there's your bell. There it goes, and that's it.